Today we are in sewage treatment plant of capacity of 75 KLD in one of the industry located in Narsapura. So this we have built on MBBR system and followed with the UF and complete agenda after treating in a wastewater. So we are taking that treated water for flush purpose, flushing the bathroom. So I will show you how the plant runs. Here, complete wastewater comes and gets collected. So we have made in a screen chamber every day, twice. The person cleans all the foreign debris, whatever have came and get collected there. So we have made in a multiple screens there. So which is below 20 microns. So it gets trapped there, and so all that plastic, all that material, whatever it will be, right? So that will be get collected there. Okay. From there, water passes to this tank. Okay. So this will be in a collection tank, and after collection, water travels through here. So this we have made a small baffles so that it will trap out all the oil and grease. All oil and grease comes up, and from there water gets this big collection tank, aeration, pre-aeration tank. From here, water gets flowed to an MBBR tank. So we are made in a system that way that whatever the excess water, the water should be continuously fed to a plant. So this total operation time is 10 hours design plant. So every hour 7,000 liters comes out as a treated water. So whatever the excess water is more than the pump capacity gets back to the same tanks, and the water gets to NBBR first tank, and from this NBBR first tank, the water makes to the NBBR second tank. I'll show you from that end. So this will be a video made with MBBR. So the idea behind using MBBR is to increase the value process at a faster rate, and so there is whatever the organic matters which is coming in the wastewater to reduce the BOD and COD part. And from here the water flows graphically to the tank, and from here water is taken to pretty better. So this PP for the space solid and liquid separation will happen, and overall the second is solid. Right, so they are taken back to a back filter system, back circle. There it squeeze out all the solid and brings out as a sludge and waste used as a highly fertilized which mineral for soil for agricultural activity. So this will get a filter with 2 cartridge and 4 given with TB time. From here the water is made to a filtration. Before water getting into a filtration, he made a recirculation system of ozone. So this is an ozone system. Please focus. So this is an ozone system. Here putting 10 liters of oxygen from here to enhance that ozonic activity. You all know how effective O3 molecule act in a disinfectant activity. So this is a safe cytotoxic infection activity. There is nothing hazardous in effect to the environmental prospect we are looking, because we also have a lot of water readings like HCl and chlorine. So these are all corrosive in nature, which is not recommended. Better that either we are going with an ozonation or UV ultrafiltration. So ultraviolet. Okay. So after there, the water is taken to a multimedia cotton filter and tank filter. Thereafter, the water is taken back to a treated water tank. From this treated water tank, it is feeded to a ultrafiltration system. So with the help of ultrafiltration system, the water is still more clean, made clean, and we can see in a water clarity which is coming out here. So it's a very crystal clear water. I am trying to make you more focus, so you can see the quality of the water which is coming out from the plant. So here we are in the process of making completely and a waste used water for a reusing purpose. So this kind of systems will help in increasing the water, will help in decreasing the water demand for any kind of industry. So thanks for joining. So we'll join up for still more updates.